Hello. I am definitely wearing something. Anyway, so wanted to show you guys how to use the facial spa. A facial spa, you would need the device, conductive gel, and rejuvenating gel. The conductive gel is what you prep your face. This has all the good stuff, the vitamins, the antioxidant, the anti-aging. First, you need to have a clean face. I will wash my face with the Lumi Spa. This is kind of make me feel like I look naked, so maybe I'll like stand right here. I don't know. Anyway. You can just use water. I'm just doing this. So I'm using the mist. You wet the device and you start. Alright, so once your face is clean, on your clean face, you want to put enough gel on the device and put everywhere on your face thoroughly. Just put a little bit more. When you are done putting the gel all over your face, you start with either number 1 and 2 or number 4 and 3. The reason why there are different options because 4 and 3 are each 5 minutes and 1 and 2 are total 5 minutes. These dots indicates the minutes, so 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 5 minutes. I'm gonna do 4 and a 3 this time. So I'll have the setting at 4. So from here, make sure you hear this beeping sound the entire time. If you don't hear it, that means the microcurrent is not flowing, which means not stimulating your skin or your cells and toning up and all that good stuff is not happening. So make sure it's beeping and the light is consistently on. So what I usually do is from here, I massage my temple. Kind of like loosen my face up before I do the lifting part. And then I also do my jawline because my family is just known for defined jawline. I mean, the big jawline. I don't like that. So anyway, so I work on my jawline a lot, and I tend to have a little bit of butt chin when I smile. Can't really tell, but I work on this too. I work on it with this edge of this, so then get more massaging. Also, when you open your mouth, right here under the cheekbone, you can definitely feel that loosening up. If you know your facial muscles is so much easier to do, I will put the visual here. So I do this, and then also I do my eyebrow. Toxins get held up there. Make sure your make sure your finger or your palm or whichever is touching this chrome pad. So you either touch with your fingers or your thumb. I use thumb when I'm using it like this. And this line here. Make sure I just massage. And my smile line here, my wrinkle. I think this is the most defined wrinkle for me, my entire face. Anyway, with this, and I also did the same thing on the other side. So here. It feels really good. I just work my this side more because this side a little more up. So I'm just as long as you so the way in. I don't want you out, so being the side much results. This side of the face is a little bit lower, so I work on this side a little bit more. I have no gel, but I don't have enough gel. And because I want the better current flowing, stimulating my skin, I just put a little bit more. Just tap it more. Okay. I'll put sometimes here on the hairline because I go past the hairline a lot because your muscle, your facial muscle does not stop here. It's actually past your hairline and all the way back here. So what I usually do is I go past the hairline when I do like a lifting part. So start 3 for 5 minutes from an upward direction. Hold. Then go all the way. And around your eyes, you just want to do gently because the tissue under your eye is not that strong. Anyway, so from here, you want to go from bottom to top, and when you do the lifting, you want to hold. I'll say like 3 seconds or so, and then go hold all the way. Makes my arm look super big. Anyway, so from here, you know how some people do that lifting, like that lifting thing? It's thread lifting, is that what it's called? So you can also do that too. From here, just go to the side and pull your eyes. And just go past your hairline and hold it. Also from here. Hold. Then and because this side of my face is a little bit lower, I work on this side a tad bit longer. So my eyebrow too, I hold, lift, hold. And the whole point is to not to detach the device from your face, but when you go downwards, do not put pressure, but when you go upwards, you can put slight pressure. Can you see my face lifting? And this side is a little bit more like slim and lifted. past the hairline. And then, because I also want to work on my cheekbones, I go from my smile line here. I hold it for a couple seconds. And then plump it up. Like that. And you pretty much do the same thing on the other side when you're done with this side. And run. I just want to go how's it go? Don't just brush your eyes. Is it like 3-5 times over it? No. Past your hairline. See, this is like that thread lifting that people do. Pay so much money and ruin your face. Don't do it. Use facial spa. And people always ask me, can you use around your neck? Of course you can, but don't do the middle here because it's a thyroid and you don't want to mess with that. So you can, if some people do go from here, if you have enough gel, you can put it on your neck, down to up, all the way from here, you know, you can also do that. Make sure you go past your hairline because your facial muscle does not stop at your hairline. I cannot emphasize enough. And I usually do it before I shower so that I can just wash my hair. It's easier. I'll just touch my hair so it's stuck. But I'm trying to touch the rest of my face the whole time. And when I'm done, I use this sponge. So it's really easy to just wipe your gel off instead of using so much water and things getting everywhere. Easier to just wipe it off. And it's very soft. Not harsh to the skin at all. At least to me. If you have like a baby gauze towel, you can use that too. When you're done, make sure you rinse it. And you want to use the rejuvenating gel once you're done wiping it. I use enough to cover my face. Don't be stingy to yourself. Just use it. And if your gel is bubbling, that's you being too frugal. Be generous. This has all that good stuff on it. And this gel you just need to do 2 to 5 minutes. For the remainder, I put it here because we don't get to use the facial spa here. The remaining time, I either do the body shaping gel or brush my teeth or watch a show, scroll, post, whatever. So, but today I'm gonna use the body shaping gel. I'll just do one side, which is gonna be the same thing on the other side anyway. So you just press this button on the back, it'll pop out. Oops, like that. There are several different conductor heads that you can use. I am going to use this body conductor. Every conductor head, there's a little line in the front, and that's the front. And when you're done, hop on the shower, wash it off, and get to go. Also with the gel, cut them with the scissors, and you will probably use it like 1 or twice more.